If Microsoft Word is showing error 91, the good news is that this is often caused by a startup issue, a broken add-in, or a problem with your Office installation. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the easiest fixes, step by step. By the end, you'll know how to test Word in safe mode, disable problematic add-ins, and repair Microsoft Office so you can get Word working again. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tech fixes, and let's get straight into it. First, close Microsoft Word completely if it is already open. We want to make sure there are no background Word windows interfering with the test. Next, on your keyboard, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open the Run dialog box. In the Run box, type winword/safe exactly as shown, then press Enter. This launches Word in safe mode, which is a very useful first step because it starts Word without loading any add-ins or custom startup files. If Word opens normally in safe mode, that usually tells us the problem is not with Word itself, but with one of the add-ins or extensions running in the background. If Word does not open at all, don't worry, we still have another fix to try. If Word does open in safe mode, click File, then choose Options, and then select Add-ins from the left-hand menu. This is where you can view and manage the add-ins that may be causing the error. At the bottom of the window, look for the Manage box and make sure it says COM add-ins, then click Go. Now you'll see a list of add-ins installed in Word. To troubleshoot the issue, uncheck all items in this list. This temporarily disables every COM add-in, so you can test whether one of them is causing the error 91 message. After unchecking them all, click OK to save the change. Once that is done, close Word again and reopen it normally, not in safe mode. If Word starts properly now, then one of those add-ins was the cause of the issue. You can turn them back on one at a time later to find the exact one that was breaking Word. This is often the fastest way to fix error 91 without making any major changes to your computer. If the problem still continues, the next step is to repair Microsoft Office. To do that, go to the Control Panel on your computer. You can search for Control Panel in the Windows search bar if needed. Inside Control Panel, find the Programs and Features section, then locate Microsoft Office in the list of installed programs. Click on Microsoft Office once to select it, and then look for the Change or Repair option, depending on your version of Office. Choose the Repair option and follow the on-screen prompts. If you are given a choice between Quick Repair and Online Repair, start with Quick Repair first because it is faster and fixes many common issues. If that does not solve the problem, run the Online Repair afterward for a deeper fix. The repair process may take a few minutes, so be patient and let it finish completely. Once it is done, restart your computer and try opening Word again. In many cases, repairing Office clears out corrupted files or damaged components that trigger error 91. If Word still gives you trouble after that, it may help to restart your PC one more time and check for any pending Windows updates, since system updates can also affect how Office apps run. But in most cases, running Word in safe mode, disabling COM add-ins, and repairing Microsoft Office will solve the problem. So to quickly recap, the first thing to try is launching Word with winword/safe, then go into File, Options, Add-ins, disable all COM add-ins, and finally repair Microsoft Office from Control Panel if needed. These steps cover the most common causes of Microsoft Word error 91 and can save you a lot of time. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more simple software tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Word or Office error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.